Just listed, open house Saturday noon to 2 p.m. This home features a convenient, private location on almost 9 acres with pool. Open kitchen featuring center island with breakfast bar, big dining area. Living room with freestanding wood fireplace that has been used to heat the entire house. Main level bedroom, full bathroom, office and laundry. Upper level with 2 very large bedrooms and full bathroom. Basement with good storage and mechanicals, 95% furnace replaced 2 months ago. Exterior features a big family-sized deck, screened porch, pool is used often and private, a 2-car garage with 3rd stall carport, an outbuilding and a woodshed. The acreage is beautiful with walking paths. Owners appreciate being located next to Husteds Farm Market with its own path. Kalamazoo Promise. Such a nice location, 4 minutes.